What if you could generate biofuels including biogas and raw oil from any type of organic waste while protecting the environment at the same time? This is the aim of the Bioalternative plant, a machine designed and built in Switzerland by Pyrolysis.
My name is Alexandra Gavilano. I'm an environmental scientist working with sustainable land management and climate change adaptation.
My name is Hannes Blaser. I'm the CEO of Pyrolysis. I'm an environmental consultant and biodynamic farmer.
CO2, which is stored as organic waste, is emitted and transformed into a stable form of CO2 known as biochar. This biochar can be used as a natural additive to restore degraded land and stable bedding. It enhances soil fertility and mitigates CO2 emissions. The Bioalternative plant is scalable and can be used by farmers, communities or industrial companies which work with any kind of organic waste. Pyrolysis' unique system has the power to transform any kind of organic waste into valuable end products, while creating new income opportunities for their owners. The fire within the vertical reactor is electronically monitored to ensure a controlled burning process. Once the machine is running, it works autonomously and reloads automatically the reactor. The Bioalternative produces biochar, oil and gas.
Most organic matter is neither recycled nor composted. Pyrolysis offers a creative solution to quickly recycle any kind of organic matter. This produces valuable new resources that can be transformed into renewable energy systems. At the same time, it offers a unique opportunity to mitigate CO2 emissions while restoring and enhancing soil fertility.